Yes, a very good afternoon to the children of class 10 Pine, isn't it? Is this the first class after the vacation, Puja vacation? Is this the first class after the Puja vacation? Okay. Children, first I want to take your attendance. Clear? First, I'll take the attendance. Shatodip Ghosh. Noreen. Shomodip. Amit. অয়ন মাধুর্য Oyon, what is your surname? Sudipta. Sudipta. Anamika. Anamika. Anamika's surname I want to know, huh? Anamika, wait. This is Shriman. Shriman. Ronak. Where is Ronak? Ronak. Sneha. Sneha. Shreyan. 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 Anamika Das. Okay. Anamika Das. Uh, Anyone else who is there? So the ones, those who are present today are Noreen, then Shomodeep, Shatodeep, then you have Amit, then you have Madhurjo, Sudipta, then Sneha, Oyon, Onamika, Raunak, Shreyan. Anyone? One name is Arman. Sumi is there. Okay, Sumi is there. Wait. Sumi is there. Yes, Arman's name is there. Anyone else? Okay, Shouhardo Adok. Shouhardo. Yes, Shouhardo's name is there. Okay. Anyone else? Devjit. Anyone else, please? Shriman, I have given you. Okay. Is Sharthok there? Then Naimuddin, Ayush, Ricky, Nondita, Satvik. Oh, Sumi's name is here, sorry. Then Arya, Ognivo. Are these people present? No. Now, before I start, I will. Did I give you your syllabus? No. Syllabus for your midterm assessment. Okay. So please, very fast, take down the syllabus. Clear? Take down the syllabus, children. The syllabus for your midterm will be first chapter as you had in your unit 1, power sharing. First chapter, power sharing. Second chapter, federalism. Done? Second chapter, federalism. And the sixth chapter, political parties. And the sixth chapter, political parties. Sixth chapter, political parties. So you are having 3 chapters. Midterm, your syllabus, chapters 1, 2 and 6. Got it? Okay. Now, some questions I have made them right in the, from political parties. I have completed the chapter on federalism and I have made them write certain questions from chapter 6 also. You will get it. Now, before that, you know, I have one announcement and that is like this, and I want majority of them to participate. Clear? I want majority of them to participate. I know some of them will participate. Now the subject is like this: commemoration of International Day Against Violence and Bullying. Bullying including cyberbullying at school. It is on 5th of November, that is today. Now listen, what happens, at times, children are bullied. Bullied means they are actually caused harm. Bullying means causing of harm. And this causing of harm can be physically, can be mentally, as well as now you are not having regular classes, as now you are having online classes, it can be cyberbullying also. That means through online. So, what is the aim? Just listen to the aims. To build global momentum to end bullying in schools by raising awareness of the issue. Second, to share ways to address and eliminate violence in schools. And third one, to mobilize government experts and the educational community to come and work together in preventing violence and bullying in schools. So what I want is that, children, just listen to me very, very carefully. What I want is that, certain posters, all of you can take up this initiative of doing 2 posters each. 2 posters where you will show that how you can stop bullying of children. Bullying of children means, again I'm telling you, causing of harm to the children. This causing of harm can be in terms of physical harm, or emotional harm, or it can be online also, that is through cyber ways. Clear? So please make 2 posters. It should not be, that means it should not be a big size. Make it a size and do post it to the official website of the school. Post it to the official website of the school. Am I clear, children? I know many of them in your class, you are very good at all this. Majority of them. Clear? 2 of them, I suppose you will not, you are such bright children, you have so much of ideas, even more than us, that within half an hour, I suppose you can make 2 posters and you can post them to the official website of the school. The posters will also include, like, lines, hoardings, that is headings, where you will write that stopping of bullying and things like that. Clear? Am I clear to children? And I know majority of you will take up the initiative. I know that. And it is a request from my side. Because, at times, children are, made subjects of bullying. So what happens, I'll tell you. At times, children, they develop a phobia. Phobia means fear. Fear of going to the school. So they start bunking schools. They avoid going to schools. And in many cases, what happens, they become dropouts. Dropout means they leave schools. And in extreme cases, it had happened. In extreme cases, children have attempted suicide, which is not at all, I will tell you, it is not at all very advisable, because it is not the solution of any problem. You are grown-up people. I know that you will understand the value of that, because ending up one's life is not a solution. So what we need to do is that we have to overcome that problem. We have to face that problem. We have to talk to our friends, talk to our family members, talk to the teachers, everyone, and take help. Clear? If any one of you is being a subject of bullying, please, especially during the in the school campus or whatever, you are always free to come and consult your teachers, your heads of the school, anyone. Talk to your friends if you cannot speak. This is a very, very sentimental topic nowadays. And so the government has taken up the initiative that 5th of November every year will be celebrated as a day of anti-violence and bullying in schools or cyberbullying. Clear? You can put down in one place the date also, where it is shown that a post, you can show like this, and school assembly 5th of November, you can write where 5th of November Bardhaman Model School, and celebrating or commemorating the anti-violence and anti-bullying day in schools. Clear? You can make this way. If anybody is going to, you can show by means of pictures that how you can help. So you make posters. I suppose you people have understood about it, and what you will do is that make 2 posters, and the best one will go to the board. Clear? I know that you will take only half an hour. Half an hour will be more than enough for you people, I know that. And the best ones will go to the board. Clear? So by tomorrow I should see that majority of them have posted. Children, I have started with making them write questions and answers from chapter 6 also. Anybody of them have managed to get them? Any one of them have managed to get them from the children of the other section? Any one of you have managed to get them from the children of the other section? No. No one. So do manage to get them. Clear? And this one, what to say, like this assessment will also be like the one you had for unit 1, MCQ pattern. That means 1 marks for each. And I have made them write quite a number of 1 marks question, which will be, I hope I can make. Yes, obviously you can do that. You can manage. Oh, okay, that. I have made them write a number of them. So do manage them, children. Because 1 marks questions will be there for your boards as well as for your assessments also. Now write one question please from political parties. I don't know how many of them I have made them write, but I want you people to collect from them. Clear? One question you write. Right? Who passed an order? Who passed? P-A-S-S-E-D, passed. Who passed an order making it necessary for political parties to hold, H-O-L-D, hold their, T-H-E-I-R, their organizational and file, F-I-L-E, file their, T-H-E-I-R, their income tax returns, income tax returns, question mark. This will be for 1 marks, and write down the answer, right? The election commission E capital, C capital. The Election Commission. Done, children? Okay, get the other questions from the other section. Clear? Yes, thank you. And remember about the poster. It will, you will take, I suppose, I know that many of you have that potential and you will complete it only within half an hour. Okay, best of luck.